down. I don't think I'll feel it when I hit the ground.
What do? I feel like I'm not helping in this.
Well, maybe I'll just be like, it's my friend Chloe. Hello everyone, my name's Ann Macon. I live across the hall. Yeah. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a day in the life vlog. I wanted to kind of capture this new period of my life where we're doing in-person and online classes. For those of you who don't know, I go to UVA, I'm a third year, and I'm majoring in comm in the McIntyre school. So I've been really fortunate to have some of my comm classes in person / hybrid. So I've been going to McIntyre the past couple days, and it's been just so nice to see people in person. I don't know, forgot how good that was. So I wanted to film this video honestly just to capture this moment because I don't know how long this is gonna last. I would like to say the whole semester. I feel like that's just naive, so maybe it's just this week. This could be my last day. I don't know. Today's Thursday. It's currently like 2 p.m. I woke up this morning at like 7:30, finished up my readings for the day. I had class from 9:30 to 11. Usually it's till 12:15, but this week it was until 11. And then I had a group project meeting from what, like 12:15 to probably like 10 minutes ago. So yeah, I've been doing that all morning and afternoon, and I just got back. My room's a mess. Well, my side of the room's a mess. Claire and Shannon always have their beds looking amazing. I need to make lunch. I need to clean up my room. I'm hanging out with Liv later today to do some work, and then tonight, since it's a Thursday night and I don't have any classes on Friday, we want to do something fun. So we're going to Carter's Mountain to do Sunset Series, which is something super popular here in Charlottesville. There's food there, there's music. I think it's supposed to be really fun. I've never been, which is just like everyone's been except for me. So I'm excited to go. Probably gonna dress up a little, maybe straighten my hair, I don't know. If you're new, definitely subscribe down below. I make college videos weekly. Definitely subscribe. She's the best. Woo! Emma. I'm Emma. I also live down the hall with Ann Macon that you just met. Best suite in the house. Yes. Also the lighting in here is just way too good. Like it does show how like greasy I am right now, but it's amazing in here. I like haven't filmed a video in so long. I also filmed a video yesterday. It was supposed to be a day in the life, and then I did nothing. So hopefully that changes today, but regardless, this video is going up. So I'm going to make some lunch and get my life together. Okay, so I bought these. Very unclear about how they're gonna taste. Probably gonna smell horrible. My mask on partially because I need to remember to bring it, otherwise I'll just be running back upstairs. Anyways, right now I've changed. I'm just wearing this very comfy outfit. I have my bags packed. I'm spending the night at Liv's, and I have 2 outfit options for Sunset Series and then a change of clothes for tomorrow. I'm probably just going to do work at her apartment complex, but I have 2 options. I'm not sure which one I'm going to wear. I'm just going to walk over there. It's probably like a 10-minute walk or so. So I'm going to put on my AirPods, jam out. I do think it's really hot outside, so that's not really going to be fun. Also, the lighting here, like I'm still not over it. I need to film more in here, but usually my roommates are in here and I feel weird like making them like watch me film / interrupting them, but I love this. Also, these masks that I have here, my mom bought them for me, and they're like a slightly lighter blue than the other ones are, and I love them. They're honestly pretty cute for like a disposable mask. But then I have this one which I actually need to wash, but it's just like this cloth one and it's black. It kind of looks pretty fresh, can't lie. Okay, let's go to Liv's. So we're setting up. Liv got her lights, her LED lights for her what's it called? Common room? Living room? Living room. Sorry, I couldn't think. You guys are gonna watch a montage of us just absolutely failing. I'm gonna read the instructions. And Liv is making us salmon for dinner. Teriyaki salmon. She always makes it because, yeah, I'm competent, but I'm not competent enough. Well, I could do it, I just choose not to. That's why I'm on light duty. I think I am stupid. I have anything up, I just can't figure it out. Their diagram is what's losing me. Yeah. Is there another part I'm missing? I don't see second arrow.
What is this thing?
That's what I'm saying. Let's plug it in to make sure it works.
Wait, am I supposed to like have a connector?
This is what I'm saying.
How to use
and LED light strip connectors. You know,
I don't think that connects.
it does. That's why it's on here. Oh, wait. Oh, I think it's supposed to go in the white thing.
We decided to go with it on the floorboards, mostly because that like power strip thingy kept hanging down. So like, I feel as though this will like kind of peep up through the couch, look pretty sick. I think at night, it's just gonna be a vibe.
Martina's be like, yeah.
I've already started eating, but Liv's looks way better than mine.
Oh yeah.
This is really pretty. I always forget how pretty it is. Charlottesville is just so pretty. Like, this is literally just the best school in the world. Oh, yeah.
Missing all of you, drinking to the sun.
I look so pale.
Oh my god, this is beautiful!
Hi. We're back at it again. Sam and Meg reunited once again for Carter's Mountain. Back in action. So excited. Look at this view. I love how literally every person from UVA ever has just driven by us and gave us just a look. But you know what? Let them stare. Let them stare. I don't care.
I'm gonna like really get every pore on my face.
No, honestly, I feel like you look really, really good.
Really?
Like, I think we should take a picture with this camera.
Upside down. I can't help but wait.
It's the next morning. It is the next morning. We went to bed last night at 12. Literally 12. Like on the dot. So we're just tired. So I wanted to continue this video because I feel like yesterday was just not sufficient enough for a day in the life. Today's Friday. I don't have any classes today, but I do have a lot of work actually. I have an online asynchronous course and I pretty much need to do the entire week's work today. So that's where we're at. But right now, Matt, our friend, is going to pick us up and we're gonna go to Dunkin, maybe Chick-fil-A, I don't know. Some coffee and fuel for the day so that we can be super productive.
Dancing till my legs go numb.
Holy crap, I just tried the oat milk from Dunkin. It is phenomenal. Everyone has to go try. Run, don't walk. Run, don't walk. I am super red, super sweaty. I just got back from a run. I ran with my friend Abby, who actually lives across the street from me this year, so that's been super nice. We run together a couple times and don't even go that far, but it's just been so hot out that I just like sweat a ton. And then we walked after and I actually picked up corner juice, which is like, I don't want to say guilty pleasure of mine because it's definitely healthy. It's just guilty because it's so expensive. I just popped this in the freezer to kind of solidify the rest of it because it melted a little on the way back. I just get the PSW, which is pineapple, spinach, coconut water, and mint, I think. I don't know, it is fantastic. It just brings me to life and definitely a good like post-workout, just like rush. I don't know, it's so good. So I'm gonna drink some water right now. Right now I'm probably going to like just do the media study stuff that I've been putting off because that's important. I obviously want to like enjoy myself tonight, so I'm gonna have to get that done before then, but let's go be productive. I've been sitting here procrastinating doing like the one thing that I need to do today, and I have a meeting in an hour 15 minutes. I am just tired. That run really exhausted me, so I obviously showered, I ate, but I think I'm gonna watch the lecture, do the meeting, and then we have a discussion post that we have to do. I should do the readings before I do that post, I feel like, but we'll see how much I learned from the lecture and then we'll go from there.
Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
Hello everyone, good morning slash I don't even know why I just said that. It's literally 3 p.m. Basically, we parked my car last night after getting Chipotle and Roots for dinner, and I left my camera in the car, so the vlog did not continue, slash I don't really do anything exciting, so yeah. I got my oat milk drink again. I'm amped about it, but I figured that there's probably not much more to add to this video at this point, so.
I'm gonna turn down the music. Could show them my leg.
Oh yeah, someone took a tumble on Mad Bull last night. Our new favorite thing is just taking like nightly walks, which like may or may not be unsafe, but also
it is definitely unsafe.
Definitely unsafe.
But I have my pepper spray.
But also it's like what else are we doing? And you know what? We're outside, we're walking around, getting some exercise. Sis did take a massive tumble, multiple times actually.
But there was one in particular.
Yeah, and it was all over her own 2 feet, which I think is the funniest part.
No, I hit that weird thing on the sidewalk.
Oh, that's
I don't know. No, but I hit something and it brought me down like literally
nobody's
so
business.
hard.
Literally nobody's
Like
business.
freaking linebacker took me out. Is that what they do? I think he is like a linebacker. No,
He is, I looked him up.
Oh. You're a freak.
Anyways, I'm a freak and
I'm a freak.
I'm a certified freak. Now it's Saturday and today's like our chill day, our off day where we're just like hanging around. So we're gonna go
almost over.
Yeah, it's basically almost over because we slept in so late.
But we're getting dinner tonight.
Yeah, we are getting dinner tonight and excited about that. But that's pretty much all from this video. I have no idea how it's gonna turn out and if this is even worth your time. But if it was, please let me know with a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I make new videos every week and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.
Bye, freaks.